Hey everyone, Annoy here. In today's guide, we're going to integrate borderless ads in our Unity game. So an overview of what we'll be covering in this video. 1. We're going to place ad surfaces in our game. 2. And we're going to render banner and video ads in them. Let's get started, shall we? Let's open our Unity project. Currently, it's empty. Let's design a level for our game. We have completed our level design. Now, let's add some game objects that are meant to render ads, or ad surfaces as we like to say it. Our scene is fully populated with ad surfaces. Now, we're ready to integrate borderless ads. Press Shift+R to open the ReneVerse setting. See our Connecting ReneVerse SDK guide to install ReneVerse SDK in Unity. Click on Sync Game Assets. All the ad surfaces you have added to the ReneVerse portal will show here. See our Assets and Ad Surfaces guide to learn how to add ad surfaces in the ReneVerse portal. Let's add a banner ad to this game object. Select the game object and press Shift+R to open the ReneVerse setting. Click on the Ownable Assets to see the assets we've added in the ReneVerse portal. Click on the respective ad surfaces dropdown to reveal all the ad surfaces assigned to it. Click on the Create Ad Surface button to create a banner ad surface as a children game object on the game object you selected earlier. Let's select our banner ad surface game object and place it somewhere where it is visible to our players. Let's click on the Play button. Select the banner ad surface game object, and you will see a script attached to it with the name Banner Ad Surface. Click on the Serve Ad button to render our ad in the game in real time. But if you want to add ad surfaces in multiple game objects, you can't afford to add ad surfaces one by one on similar game objects or prefabs. Let's add an ad surface in a prefab to apply on multiple game objects in our scene. Let's open a prefab. Select the game object where you want your ad surface and press Shift+R to open the ReneVerse setting. Select the ownable asset that has a suitable banner ad surface and click on Create Ad Surface. Currently, our banner ad surface is too small for our model. Let's resize it to fit in our model. Important to note that ad surfaces can only be viewed from a negative z-axis. So, let's rotate our game object to 180 degrees in the y-axis to achieve that. We are ready with our prefab. Let's go back to our scene. Let's click on the Play button. Select any of the banner ad surfaces that we just added to our prefab. Go to the banner ad surface script and click on the Serve Ad button. Our ad will render in the selected game object. Let's select multiple banner ad surfaces and click on the Serve Ad button in our banner ad surface script. As you can see, all the selected game objects are rendering ads in their respective ad surfaces. Let's add a video ad surface on the large billboards. Open the prefab. Select the game object and press Shift+R to open the ReneVerse setting. Select the ownable asset that has a suitable video ad surface and click on Create Ad Surface. Let's resize and place it according to our 3D model. Remember to rotate it by 180 degrees on the y-axis, as ads can be seen in the negative z-axis when rendered. We are ready with our prefab. Let's go back to our scene. Let's click on the Play button. Select all the video ad surfaces that we just added to our prefab. Click on the Serve Ad button on the video ad surface script. Our video ads will be rendered in our respective game objects. But from the player's perspective, a player can't click the Serve Ad button as it is only visible to the developer in the Unity editor. We need to make it accessible to the players too. Let's create a button and place it in a suitable position on the canvas. Under our inspector, let's go to the on-click property of our button, add an interaction and drag the Add Surface game object inside the game object field. No function is selected. Let's click on the drop-down button and click on the respective Add Surface script. The Serve Ad function is public. Let's select that. Let's click on Play. Now, when we press the button, it will render ads for us. Let's add all the ad surfaces in one button and select the Serve Ad function from their respective Ad Surface script. Let's click on the Play button, and with a single button click, all the ads will render in our game window. The Serve Ad function is public in our Ad Surfaces script. You can use it anywhere in your custom-made scripts. You can serve ads as a player interaction or just render ads when the game starts, which are some of the use cases of the public function. Refer to our official documentation for more insights. There we have it. We just placed ad surfaces and rendered banner and video ads in our game. Until next time, see ya!